Welcome, this is Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the hotspot toggle. For me, it's right over here, mobile hotspot. And once you find it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can change things like our password. So let's select password. And by default, it's just going to be some weird password. So we can remove this one and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. Then you can also change the name of the hotspot if you want to. It's completely up to you. And AP band, if your device supports 5 GHz, then you can drop it to 5 GHz. If it doesn't, then keep it on the one that is set by default. And from here you can turn it on either by tapping on the toggle right over here, or by simply finding the toggle right here and tapping it on it from here. Now, right now I turned it off because in the settings I turned it on there, but obviously just tap on it to turn it on. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.